Welcome to Versatile Passion. This is Jessie AB here. Let's make a creamy chicken dish today. The ingredients needed are chicken thighs 8 pieces, mushroom sliced, capsicum 1 small, 2 onions, 3 cloves of garlic, garlic powder 2 teaspoon, paprika powder 2 teaspoon, pepper 1 tablespoon. I used cooking cream 1 cup and the same 1 cup water also. Now let's marinate the chicken pieces. For that I used pepper powder, garlic powder, paprika powder and a little bit of salt. Let's shallow fry the marinated chicken pieces till it's cooked. Into the same pan, add the sliced mushrooms and saute for some time. Add the chopped onions and give it a good stir. At this time, you can add a piece of butter if you want. Add the chopped garlic. Add the sliced capsicum. Keep stirring for about 2 minutes till it's soft. Then add 1 cup cream. Stir it for some time and then in the same cup add 1 cup water also. Add the fried chicken pieces into it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. When it comes to a slight boil, add a little bit of pepper powder, add a pinch of chili flakes. Now our dish is ready to serve. Please do try this tasty chicken dish and let me know your suggestions. If you feel like you're losing everything, remember trees lose their leaves every year and they still stand tall and wait for better days to come. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.